So another great upgrade to pick up for your Dremel tool is this Speedclic Mandrel right here. So what this basically is a quick release type mechanism. See that? It's visible. Alright, push it inside, take a disc choice, and then you want to twist 90 degrees. And boom, easy peasy. And then take the eyes, press it inside, and twist 90 degrees. And off you go. So it goes. Like this goes inside, like so, and then you can tighten it. And just as quick as that, you can swap between discs conveniently. Because take for instance, earlier on before that upgrade, if you want to go between say a metal cutting disc to a wood cutting one, this is what I used to go through, right? See, take the little screw off. See how hard you have to do this. And imagine having to do this when you're already tired and dust all over your hands and sometimes when you're trying to take this off, actually you might drop it and easily you can just lose a screw somewhere or some washer somewhere. And take this off. And then I have to put this. And then this. And then the little screw on top of it. If you got the patience, you can go ahead and knock yourself out, but I just can't see myself doing this 30, 40 times in one project. It's a waste of time. Leave it. I have to tighten it down before using it. It's a whole lot of hassle. Just pop this on. Tighten it between projects, you can take that off. Okay.
It's a chill day, tomorrow we gon' redo it.
Boom.